Hello, friends. Can you help me map out the anatomy of the bird? Let's start by printing out the document and cutting out all of the words. Now it's time to label. I'm going to start with my first word. Head. This is the head of the bird. Next is this word. What sound do you see first? Wa, and the blend ing. Wa, ing, wing, wing. The wing. Here is the wing. Next. What sound do you see in the middle? Egg, leg, the leg. Tail, tail, the tail. Those are the tail feathers. Tail. Back, back. Breast, breast. Beak. This is the beak. The beak is hard and it helps the bird eat. Feet. And crown. And here is the bird's crown. Oh, I laminated mine so they're a little bit slippery. There we go. I hope you have fun labeling the anatomy of a bird. If you choose to, you can also print out the black and white version of this work, and you can practice writing in the labels for the anatomy of the bird. Here's your word bank, and you can use this to help you spell the words as you fill in head, crown, beak, all of the different parts of the bird.